Hey guys, it's Mark and Marlene. We are going to be on Tiffany Travels next week, April 17, and we're looking forward to giving information about the things that we do with living here in Zanzibar and a lot of other places that we lived in Africa. And she talks a lot about, family and women and how life is like in other places. And so we're going to be able to have opportunity to talk about the things that I've experienced and we have experienced as a family.
Yeah, it's going to be great. Again, I think she's talking to us because we're retired in Zanzibar, and so we'll get a chance to discuss that. She's got a whole slew of questions. It's going to be a live, so you're going to want to tune in, and we'll put the link in the description. But we've had fun because we've been in Rwanda, we've been in Zanzibar,
Gone to Uganda,
and Tanzania.
Yes.
So
a lot of different
interesting
experiences, about the different cultures, the way people do things, how we've been received, and things like that. So it's going to be a lot to talk about with all experiences, and I feel it's going to be really good for you to tune in to see if it's something you're interested in, and maybe you've been thinking about these places.
Yeah, so again, her channel is Tiffy Travels, and the interview is going to be April 17th. It's going to be at noon Eastern Standard Time, and it'll be a live. So there's a YouTube link that's going to be in the description. You'll be able to click in, and we're really inviting our crowd to check her out and listen to her and check out some of her other interviews too, as a matter of fact.
Yes.
You're going to learn a lot. I know we've listened to other interviews. It's really a great platform. So we're looking forward to seeing you and talking.
All right.
Awaken with Mark is a channel that is charting the journey of our family. It's what happens when an African American family relocates to the continent of Africa. And I'll tell you what happens. We start winning. That's what happens.